Mr. Max, and this is Max a Minute.
Welcome to Max a Minute!
Hello there! Today, we are learning about actions we are doing now versus actions we do every day.
What is he doing now? Look, Mr. Max is sleeping. Look, he's waking up. Oh no, he's late. He's in a rush. He's brushing his teeth. He's taking a shower. He's drinking coffee. What is he doing now? Oh, he's shoveling snow. Good job, Mr. Max. What is he doing now? Oh, he's walking the dog. No, the dog is walking Mr. Max. What is he doing now? Look, he's cleaning the car. He's ready to go. Uh-oh, the car isn't starting. What is he doing now? Look! Oh, he's biking to work. Have a nice day, Mr. Max. Let's recap.
Wait a minute!
He is drinking coffee right now. He drinks coffee every day. What's the difference? We use verb to be plus verb ing for continuous actions. For example, he's drinking coffee right now. We use base form for repeated actions. I drink coffee every day. He drinks coffee every day.
Wait a minute! That's right! It's quiz time! Are you ready?
Question 1. What's the correct answer? A. Snows. B. Shovels snow. C. Shoveling snow. D. Shovel.
That's right!
Question 2. What's the correct answer? He. A shower every day. A. Clean. B. Take. C. Taking. D. Takes.
That's right! Look at them! They're in a rush! Wait a minute! What does that mean?
Question 3. They're in a rush means A. They are taking their time. B. They have to hurry up. C. They're on time. D. They're too fast.
That's right! That's it for today. See you next time. And remember, practice makes perfect.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.